Hey kids, we're back at this front flower bed rehabilitation. As you can see, we're moving right along slowly and painfully. So I'm gonna just cut strips and finish this part out and go around the other side. I'm not gonna do the other side of the front door because there's hardly any weeds get back there. That's very well covered by bushes, but this gets a lot of weed activity. That's why I'm hitting it pretty hard with the weed block stuff. Oh yeah, and these, I got 100 of these for $8.99, or I bought the 75 from Home Depot for $15.99. So guess what I bought when I needed more. Okay, maybe you're wondering what all those maybe you're wondering what all those bags of crap were. Well, my mulch came today, and this is not just any mulch. This is premium rubber tire mulch. Yeah, it's a bunch of tires that have been ground up and colored brown, like I want my mulch to be. And they claim that there's a 12-year color guarantee, which I hope that's accurate because I'm gonna be out of here in less than 10, so I don't wanna have to redo this. And oddly, you would think that this would be a lot more expensive than normal like hardwood mulch, but it's really not. It's really not that much more expensive. This whole pallet, 50 bags, I think I paid a little over $500 with plus delivery, which was 79 bucks, so we'll call it 600. And so maybe it might be a little bit more expensive than regular mulch, but hey, regular mulch you gotta redo every year or two, right? This, hopefully not. I'd rather pay a little bit more money and only have to do it once. But I'm actually not gonna do this until tomorrow. I'm kind of worn out. So I'll come out here tomorrow, I'll blow the flower beds out, and I will install this beautiful brown rubber tire mulch. No, I really expect it to look amazing. I still have a little bit of the work to do there. This corner specifically, I want to carve that rock and carve another one so they fit in there nicely so it looks like the wall, and take that piece of shit out. Anyways, this is what the final product looks like. I gotta water that one or else it'll die. But hey man, I think it looks pretty good other than that. What do you guys think? Why don't you comment below? I still got a ton left, so to hopefully finish the rest of the yard. Anyways, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.